hospital. It's almost midnight, February 26th. Kyle woke up with some sort of barking cough. It's called
Coop.
Coop.
Coop or Croup? I don't know.
One or the other. Anyways, he got some medicine and he's not barking anymore. About to get checked out from the doctor to let us go home. We're okay.
One of many, probably.
But our first. We made it one more other trip.
We did?
Yeah, for the same cough. Different cough. Anyways. Say bye, Kyle. You gonna say bye?